Towing with CURT takes the hassle out of any trip. From the job site to the family vacation, CURT has you covered. The Rebellion XD is an innovative hitch with many features that stack up against the rest. The Rebellion XD has been engineered, built, and tested to give you a smooth ride and keep your vehicle on the road longer. The adaptive suspension ball mount features CURT's shock drop technology. They have done this by adding a cushioned insulator between the receiver shank and the vertical shank. This provides a better experience by reducing some of the shaking and jarring when towing. And that should give the kids one less thing to complain about. The Rebellion technology also reduces trailer sway, gives better control when having to suddenly put on your brakes, and takes some of the stress off your vehicle. The hitch itself is nothing to scoff at. It is made from a cast steel with a textured dark gray teridium finish. So you can leave the hitch in when not towing and it won't be an eyesore. The Rebellion XD has an adjustable head to make sure you are at towing level. It has 8 total positions to choose from, so you can choose one hitch across different trailers. With an 8-inch maximum drop and 1-inch rise, you can tow anything from a boat trailer to livestock. As a note, the shank cannot be flipped. The 2-inch ball is rated for 10,000 pounds gross trailer weight, and the 2 5/16 ball is rated for 20,000 pounds gross trailer weight. And it fits hitches with a 2.5 by 2.5 receiver. If you're interested in more information or looking to purchase a Rebellion XD, check out the dealer locator in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with Keys to Ride.